My name is Scott Wadsworth, and my son and I have a YouTube channel called Essential Craftsman. It is entirely devoted to craftsmanship and productivity and work. I've done it for 45 years, and if you take a look at the channel, you're going to see construction, including concrete and framing and finish and all of that. I also am a blacksmith. We make swords, we make architectural ironwork. I'm a fabricator, I'm a logger, I do all kinds of stuff, but it all boils down to this. I like to do good work, and I like to do it in a hurry if I can. The reason I'm telling you this is because I'm going to be in Northern Maine next October, at Northern Maine Community College to be exact. They have a great construction program there. I'm going to be speaking to the folks who are part of that program, and I would love to meet you if you had a chance to come up to Northern Maine Community College next October while the leaves are beautiful, and I would like to have a chance to visit with you, you know, on the campus, see what you're up to, see what your plans are, and see what we're all going to do when we finally grow up. So whether I see you at Northern Maine Community College or not, I'm on a job site here, and I'm going to make a lot of content out of this little job. The internet is now full of opportunities to learn very specific things about almost anything you're interested in. So when you get online, don't waste your time. Find something worthwhile, learn it, incorporate it in your life, and find new ways to be a fulfilled individual.